Welcome to the future of mining safety. Introducing our state-of-the-art mining truck anti-collision system, designed to protect lives and increase productivity. Every day, mining truck operators face challenging conditions. Limited visibility, speed, road condition and the sheer size of these vehicles increase the risk of collisions. Our anti-collision system uses advanced sensors and real-time data processing to detect obstacles in the truck's path. It alerts the driver with visual and auditory signals. The system provides crucial information, such as the distance to the obstacle and the recommended actions, ensuring the driver can react promptly. In case of an imminent collision, the system can autonomously engage the brakes, drastically reducing the likelihood of an accident. But that's not all. Our system also collects and analyzes data to provide insights into driving patterns, helping to improve overall safety standards on the site. Training and continuous learning are at the heart of our approach. We provide comprehensive training programs to ensure operators and technicians are well versed in using and maintaining the system effectively. With our mining truck anti-collision system, we're not just protecting assets, we're safeguarding lives. Join us in revolutionizing mining safety. For more information, visit our website or email us today to info@mechatronic.cc. Let's build a safer future together.